Dear learners, welcome to my online class. I am Shankar Kumar Ghosh, assistant teacher in English, Dhunut Government NU Pilot Model High School, Dhunut Bogura. Dear learners, today I will discuss about an important grammatical point, the use of articles for the students of class 6. So, at first, do you know what is articles? What is articles? Okay, thank you. The letter A, N and D in English is called article. So, how many articles are there? How many kinds of articles are there? Article is divided into two kinds, such as number one, definite article, and number two, indefinite article. So what is the definite article? Do you know? This is called definite article. And what are called indefinite article? A and N is called indefinite article. A N is called indefinite article. So dear learners, you have learned what is article or the definition of article and the kinds of articles. Now I will discuss about the use of article. So you will pay attention with my lecture and you will use pen and khata. Okay. At first, I will teach you about the use of A and N. Use of A N. I will teach you this grammatical item by using some example. First example, number one. He is dash student. Before teaching you the use of articles, at first you have to know about vowel and consonant. There are 26 letters in English. Among them, how many of them are vowels? Okay, there are 5 vowels in all the letters, such as A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowel in English letters, and the rest are the consonant. Rest 21 letters are called consonant. So, dear student, you have to know. If the first letter of any word is consonant, here A will be used. So, yes, this is a consonant. That is why here A will be used. Here A will be used. Another example, she bought dash ice cream. She bought dash ice cream. Here, first letter I of this word, and I is a vowel. So you have to remember that if the first letter of any word is vowel, there N will be used before such type of word. Here I is a vowel. That is why here N will be used. Next example, he has dash horse. Mr. Khan is dash honest teacher. Mr. Khan is dash honest teacher. Here H is given at the beginning of this letter, this word, and here H is given at the beginning of this word. Here H is pronounced as like as ha. Here H is pronounced as like as ha. That is why if H is pronounced as like as H or ha, here A will be used, and if H is pronounced as like as wa, that means if H is not pronounced, or if H is pronounced as like as or, here N will be used. So again, here H is pronounced as like as ho, that means horse. Here H is pronounced as like as ho, that means horse. So here A is used. Here H is pronounced as like as o, that means honest. Here N will be used. Okay, understand everybody? Another example. My brother is dash university student. My brother is dash university student. Here U is given. Just when you know that U is a vowel. We know N is used if the first letter of any word is vowel. Here N is used. So here U is a vowel. That is why here N should be used. But here U is pronounced as like as U. So you have to remember, if U is pronounced as like as U, U is pronounced as like as U, here A will be used instead of N. Here A will be used instead of N. Next example. He is dash one-eyed boy. He is dash one-eyed boy. Here O is given. You know that O is a vowel. That is why here N should be used. But you have to remember that if O is pronounced as like as wa, here A will be used instead of N. So here one, that means wa. That is why here A is used. Okay, understand everybody? Dear learners, next example. My brother, number 7, my brother is dash MA. My brother is dash MA. This is a qualification. So, if there remain qualification or designation of any person, and if the qualification or designation is qualification or designation becomes abbreviation. So you have to use article by this way, that at first you have to analyze the first letter of designation or qualification. Here first letter M. If we analyze M, here A will come. So A is a vowel. A is a vowel. That is why here N will be used. So you have to remember, if you by analyzing first letter of any designation or qualification, if you get vowel here, you will use N, and if you don't get vowel here, you will use A. Okay, understand everybody? Thank you. Another example, he is dash BA BA. He is dash BA BA. Here, this is a qualification. This is a qualification, and the first letter of this qualification is B. So, if you analyze B here, vowel will not come. That is why here A will be used. Here A will be used. Okay, understand everybody? Next example. She is dash pretty. She is dash pretty. She is dash pretty. What type of part of speech is pretty here? Dear student, you know that pretty is an adjective. Pretty is an adjective. So, if there remain, no article is used before adjective. No article is used before adjective. But you have to remember that if there remain noun, after adjective, then A or N will be used. Such as number 10, she is dash pretty girl. She is dash pretty girl. Here, he is dash pretty girl. Here, pretty, this is an adjective and this is a noun. This is a noun. That is why here, first letter of this adjective is consonant. So here A will be used. Here A will be used. Last example, many dash man was present in the meeting. Many dash men were present in the meeting. So you have to remember that if there remains singular common noun after such or many, here A or N will be used. As the first letter of this word is consonant, that is why here A is used. But if there remain plural common noun after many, here no article will be used. For example, many dash men were present in the meeting. Many men were present in the meeting. Here many is given, but here plural common noun is given. So you have to remember that if there remain plural common noun after many, here no article will be used. Okay, understand everybody? Dear learners, you have learned about the use of A and N, and now I will give you some homework, and you will practice it at your home with a view to understanding it completely, and you will write down it in your khata. Okay. Homework. Number 1. She bought dash umbrella. She bought dash umbrella. Number 2. I have dash cow. Number 3, she gave me dash 1 taka note. She gave me dash 1 taka note. Number 4, my brother is dash MBBS. Number 5, it is dash beautiful bird. It is dash beautiful bird. Number 6, such dash boy is the glory of the nation. And number 7, she bought dash you. She bought dash you. Okay, understand everybody? Dear learners, again I want to read out it. Number 1, she bought dash umbrella. Number 2, I have dash cow. Number 3, she gave me dash 1 taka note. Number 4, my brother is dash MBBS. Number 5, it is dash beautiful bird. Number 6, such dash boy is the glory of the nation. And number 7, she bought dash you. You have to, dear learners, you have to practice, or you have to fill in the gap from your home for your better understanding. Dear learners, today I am going to finish my class. Before finishing my class, I want to suggest you that you will stay home, and you will, if you need to go outside, you will use mask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.